You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
All right, so T-Med had to come down to North Carolina. All right, you know I've been everywhere. But I had to come down here, and so I appreciate everybody coming out. But let me tell you the models that we have. All right, so starting to my far right, we have Miss Vanessa. Okay. Next, we have Miss Diamond. Okay. And next, we have Miss Kira. And last, we have Miss Tiffany. Okay.
How's your experience going with this shoot?
You know what? I've done some shoots like this. The location, the models, the energy, all top tier. Super happy I did it. I was a little hesitant because you know how the internet in the world is, but I'm glad I was able to step out of my bounds, reach out a little further, and come out here. I'm probably going to end up with 1,000 shots.
Special shout out to Reblum for sponsoring this event here in Charlotte. Everybody wants to know, how do I edit my photos? And this is the software that I use that is specially made for retouching. Literally at the click of a button, you could choose 2 settings, natural if you want more of a high fashion type of edit, and it will get the job done. It has speeded up my workflow exponentially, and I definitely think that you should check it out in the description below.
I love the vibe here. You know, great location, great models, great photographers.
Like to turn it off now.
I gotta see this. So yeah.
Oh yeah.
That one. That's fire.
Oh my god.
See someone use my creativity.
How's it going at this shootout with T-Med?
Hey, we're having a good time, man. It's actually my second shootout with him. Came down to Atlanta last year to shoot with his crew. Had a great time then, saw he was coming locally, said I'm gonna do it again.
Okay. Oh, that's the one right there. It ain't the 70 to 200 though. This might be the king of the 70 to 200 right here. But I think he cheating on her because he should using the 85 right now. Yeah.
Y'all go ahead.
Game time. I'm gonna put you to work, I'm sorry. No. Okay, long neck, chin up, okay. You ready? Right into the hole of the camera.
I love it.
Okay, let's do a couple more like that.
Boom. Yeah. Okay, so how you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Feeling good?
Am I answering you or the camera?
You're answering the camera.
Feeling good.
Feeling good?
Yes.
Okay. You ready to change?
Yes.
How was the first fit?
It was really good. Everyone loved it, and they loved my creativity.
Oh. So I told her to put that on the back of her dress.
No, he did not. It came from this little ring right here.
No, that was nice. Show him again.
Matches
Hey,
the wrist.
listen, that's Vanessa. appreciate everybody coming out, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Yeah.